Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we have a table which is showing a list of two numbers where which of the following is a true statement comparing list A and list B, where we're talking about the means and the standard deviations. So first, to calculate the means, you take the total value of all the numbers and you divide that by the number of numbers. So in both of these cases, we have 6 numbers in the list. So for list A, the mean is going to be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, which is all the numbers added up, divided by the number of numbers, which is 6. Adding all of these up, you get 21 divided by 6. And then for list B, you do a similar thing where we're adding 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 5. There's also 6 numbers, so we're dividing by 6. And this also comes out to 21 divided by 6. So the means are the same. So that limits us to A and B because C and D said that they're different. And now we have to look at the standard deviations. Are they different or are they the same? So we're not going to do this by calculation. We're going to do this by looking at a visual image of the data here. So if we have list A right here, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, you can see there's one of each of these in this set. And if we look at list B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we have a 2, 2 3s, 2 4s, and a 5. So we don't have to calculate the standard deviation. We just have to say, are they the same or are they different? And the standard deviation is how spread out the data is. And if you notice this one, list A is more spread out. There's 1 in each at each value, versus B, they're clumped together towards 3 and 4. And at the ends, there's not even any points at all. So they have different standard deviations, right? The standard deviation is lower in B. From the mean of B, the values deviate less. They're closer to it. So the means are the same. The standard deviations are different. Therefore, A is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.